In our today's video, we are going to discuss about what are the advantages and disadvantages of insertion sort algorithm. So let's get started. If I talk about advantages of insertion sort algorithm, the very first advantage is it's very simple algorithm. It's a simple algorithm, right? Second advantage is that if we have a smaller list, if my data set is smaller, then it can have a good performance there. If you remember, or I can say if we have some of the elements sorted, right? In both way I can write, right? So the second advantage is it has good it has good performance when dealing with smaller list, right? Then what is the third important advantage is that it is a in-place sorting. It's an in-place sorting algorithm, right? In-place sorting algorithm. So the space requirement here is minimal. You can write space requirement is minimal. And if you have seen one more important observation while doing the examples, don't you think it's a stable algorithm? Because what we are doing, for example, let's say I have 12, 5, and 8. So I'm comparing the second element with this. And if I get it that 5 is less than 12, so I'm putting 12 here and 5 here, right? So like this, if we have duplicate, let's say 5, 5, right? So I'll put first 5 there and then second 5 will come, right? So you can say it's a stable algorithm. Now what are the, let's talk about what are the disadvantage of this algorithm. Can anyone tell? So I think you can tell that when you are saying smaller set, in case if we have a larger set, it is not a good algorithm, right? So does not doesn't perform well with large data set, right? What else is a disadvantage? You would have seen that it needs n square steps for every n elements to be sorted, right? So again, you can put that this example only. If you have good number of elements, it needs n square steps. You can write that as part of this, right? What are the other disadvantages? The disadvantages it takes n square time complexity, right? It has a n square time complexity. So we have many algorithms which have less time complexity than this n square. So we are going to prefer those algorithms over insertion sort, right? What else? What are the other disadvantage? I can say that it is again used for, it is good, or it is good to have only when we have sorted elements, or you can write why we need an algorithm if already are sorted. I can write if we have some parts, some parts already sorted, or it has few items. I think it is same what I was telling in point one, but I just written it. So these are the advantages and disadvantages of insertion sort algorithm. In our next video, we are going to see what are the real world applications of this insertion sort algorithm. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.